Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the app which will provide you with a keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, the browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. Okay. And then we have to enter the settings, which should be on this top panel. Now let's tap on the languages and tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see right here, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. And after finding it, simply tap on it. Depending on the language, of course, you will be able to pick the region. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick kind of keyboard modes, I would say, keyboard types. And as I said, it depends. You will be able to pick from 1 to, I believe, up to 5 or even 7 different modes. So if you want to apply one, just tap on it until it is marked, and then, for example, remove the previous one or keep both, whatever. Let's tap on Done to confirm. And as you can see, this language appeared on this list, which shows us the current languages that are applied. So right now we have to come back to the keyboard because I would like to show you the differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. Let me do it again and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to remove the previous one and add new. So let's enter the settings, the languages, and here from the step we have to tap on this edit icon. And as you can see here, we can freely mark the language we'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon again in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, first of all, the spacebar is empty. What is more, we do not have the language key, and it simply means that we can only type in English. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.